I brainstorm in the middle of the night all the time, and I'm just sitting there writing down notes and like drawing little sketches of things I'm going to make an easel. I gotta finish this, it's in my brain, I need to just make it.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Jess.
We're Two Moose Design. We primarily make custom furniture. We've been doing this for 2 years. We were trying to figure out what we would want to do every day, either the daily grind or we branch out and try to express ourselves in something.
I don't know, it just snowballed, and I quit my job after 3 months, and he quit his job after 6 months.
X-Carve helped scale the production tremendously. You don't really have to focus on the machine once you have it all lined up and all the programs made.
It's like having another set of hands.
Every product we make, we have a customized option that essentially revolves around the X-Carve.
I design a majority of the work in easel. It's super user-friendly, and so it was not intimidating to go in there and start playing around.
So Inventables actually helped us elevate our pricing, but it's a whole nother level and professional aspect to be able to carve something.
It allowed us to be able to do whatever we wanted.
The machine has paid for itself numerous times. We just keep taking that money and putting it back into the business. So Inventables impacted our business dramatically, and it kind of just opened so many more doors just for that customization aspect. There's just so much you can do with it.